2 weeks before I was evicted. We're actually really in a good place. So now I know previously there was the kid situation, and there was a time.
Which was in your head.
I'm
Okay.
coming. Let me. I'm Joanne.
Yeah, but between the
So
two.
there was a situation where kid can't afford me. So
Are you
please
for real?
let me finish. So now the thing is, there was the first tutor there, and it was kid, and it wasn't like.
Bibi Naija Watoni is at it again as she claims marriage is not a priority, blames herself for the stereotype given her. Bibi Naija reality show star Watoni has claimed that marriage is not on her priority list as she blames herself for the stereotype given her by others. Watoni in a post made it clear that there are more important things she needs to do now and marriage is not one of them, as the stress she goes through during dating alone is enough for her now and doesn't want to add marriage. According to her, it's funny, strange, and scary how she hardly think about marriage because the stress of dating and all is one hell of a ride for her. Therefore, she has decided not to add marriage to it to stress herself more. Talking about the stereotype given her as a single mother, Watoni blamed herself for being a part of it, saying contrary to stereotype given her, she's probably responsible for making people misunderstand her. She then emphasized the fact that marriage is not on her priority list and doesn't want to add any stress to her life by getting married now. Looking at what she's going through now that she's dating, Watoni revealed on Bibi Naija that she has a son, but not as a result of having sex with a man, but by scientific procedures, and that makes her a single mother. But then, some netizens seem not to believe the fact that she never slept with a man. So guys, what do you think about Watoni? Because she's at it again. Remember in last night's episode of the Bibi Naija reunion, she said Kidwaya can't afford her. And maybe could that be the reason why she is not ready for marriage yet? Maybe she has not seen someone that can afford her. Earlier in the show, she also said Prince and Brighto can't afford her. So we don't know what's going on, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if it's your first time of viewing, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification whenever a new video drops.